So we've made our broth and constructed our bowl of ramen. But as promised, here's how to make soft boiled eggs as well as ramen eggs. So in today's video, we make Ajitsuke Tamago. Begin by filling a pot with water and bringing it to a boil. While that's happening, get your eggs. The next step is optional but recommended. Using a small thin object, pierce a hole at the bottom of the egg. Also, not to worry, your egg will not spill out. Once your water is boiling, gently lower your eggs into it. Let them cook for about 5.5 to 6 minutes. Remember to account for the time taken to remove the eggs from the water. Immediately place the eggs into ice water. This stops the cooking and also makes the peeling process a lot easier. Once you're ready, we can begin peeling. Since the whites should still be very tender, I recommend cracking the eggs at their tips and peeling it from there. You can also use a spoon like this to easily go around the curvature of the egg and remove it quickly. That's basically it. You've got yourself a soft-boiled egg with a gooey center. Now to transform this into a ramen egg. Many people prefer using the braising liquid of the char siu if you've made it already, but I'm going to assume you haven't made it since I haven't shown you how. So in a pan, pour in 2 parts soy, 1 part mirin and 1 part sake. Toss in a few slices of ginger and gently heat the mixture up. Remove it from the heat and let it cool. Place your eggs into the liquid, doing your best to completely submerge them. Let them cure for about a day before removing them. Any longer and the exterior will get a little too salty. Here, you can see how the process has dyed the eggs as well as firmed up the whites and the yolks. The perfect topping to go with your bowl of ramen. And there you have it, how to make soft-boiled eggs as well as Ajitsuke Tamago or ramen eggs. Once your eggs are done curing, I recommend taking them out of the curing liquid and placing them in some water to prevent over-curing. It should stay fresh for about a week, but in practice it usually disappears way before that. But that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, remember to like and subscribe and to share the video. Also, remember to let me know in the comments down below what other dishes you'd like to see, what other recipes you'd like to learn, or any other products you'd like me to review. But for now, I will say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.